Hetepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. Hashtag Hetep Yoga. Our clock is about 5 minutes fast, so it's about an hour and a half before sunrise. The early birds decided to step out the front door here and check out what it looks like outside after the snowstorm, the mixed snowstorm that everybody was charged up about and worried about and preparing for and near panicking about the last couple of days here in Norfolk, Virginia, Hampton Roads region. So, stepping outside. It's not light outside yet. And take a look at the ground. Sekou, you coming? Just taking a Hetep meditation moment to look outside. It may be not even enough light out here to tell if there's frost on the ground. Whatever fell did not stick. And we got, you want to crack the door? We got early birds on the porch, but not for very long. We put on all these clothes, all these layers just to come out and take a look. Strawberry basket, doing whatever you want to do. From the porch, the aloes have frozen and thawed. This is as far as some of the reclaimed soil got, because I'm trying not to bring it into the house. Whew. Well, Sekou, what were you expecting from all the hullabaloo? I got the camera on you. All the hullabaloo, weather-wise. Now we're panning out. 90 minutes before sunrise here in Norfolk.
What I was expecting, I guess what I was expecting is what we got. I thought it was going to be worse, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. But I really felt like it wasn't, I was ambivalent.
Mm-hmm.
So I felt like it could go either way.
Here's a bright halogen. Our neighbor has a halogen light on the porch. You get a little bit of a close-up of the bush and more of the ground and the grass, hopefully. So, it's a light wind out here, but we have been out here already nearly 4 minutes. And of course we're shivering. Winter has only been official for the last 32 days maybe. So we're just checking it out, and when it gets lighter, if it doesn't start raining, then I will do a quick garden update. I've been promising one or two times before this, but between the high winds, the cold temperatures, and the pop-up rain events, our winter garden has become pretty much a laissez-faire garden. And I've been collecting rainwater and watering on the sunny days, and letting the precipitation water all the other days. We don't have much out there to show you, but I would like to do a winter garden update. So that may be today if the weather stabilizes, or it may be over the weekend. I have to check the forecast almost daily because it is so changeable. All right, that's the early birds on the front stoop saying stay safe, stay warm, stay healthy, and always remember that you are already blessed in abundance. It's just a matter of right thought, right speech, and right action. So, thank you for watching this video to the end. Please give it a like. Please share it with other beginning gardeners, urban farmers, homesteaders. And if you would like to support our wellness campaign in the BIPOC and low-income communities like Lambert's Point, then please consider making a love offering to our Cash App, which is $ capital H ETEP capital YOGA. Thank you so much. Medial, much love, and blessed be. Any final thoughts, Sekou?
No.
Peace and blessings.
Peace and blessing.